The YouTube Music app is one of the best apps you can get when it comes to listening music, and now you can download and listen to any music offline on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Make sure you are watching the video till the end to know the steps to download and listen to music offline on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 with the YouTube Music app anytime, anywhere. Hey guys, back with another video from my addictive blogging channel, and in this video I will be discussing how you can play YouTube Music offline on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So YouTube Music, as we all know, is a very important app for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and it comes with a lot of features. And one of the features is offline downloads, with which you can download any of the music on the app and just play it at a later time. And for that you don't need your watch to be connected to the internet or your phone with the Bluetooth connection. So in this video we will see an overview of the YouTube Music app for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and how you can download and play music offline in this app. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to say as, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So to download any music and listen to it offline, you need to download the YouTube Music app first. So the YouTube Music app is available in the Play Store for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and it can be one of the best music apps you can download right now for this watch. So I just searched with the YouTube Music, and you will be able to see that the app will be right there in the Play Store. And once you get the app, you need to install the app for this watch, and once you have installed, the app will be right there on the menu of the watch. So the app has a really good interface to play music. So you can see there is a play button, there is a skip track option, there is a previous track option, and you can increase or decrease the volume anytime of the music, and also there is an option to like the music. And if you just swipe left, you will be getting all the genres of music on the YouTube Music app. So the YouTube Music app will automatically create playlist for you, just like this: workout mix 1, workout mix 3, workout mix 2, and if you scroll down you will get the recommended options. So whatever music I used to listen on my YouTube Music app and YouTube, it will get the data and will create specific playlist for me. So you can see it has created this super mix, new release mix, discover mix, and replay mix. All type of playlist it will be creating for me, so that I can play a really good music on this app. So I will also get the option of last played playlist, songs, settings, etc. So to download and listen to music offline, the first thing you need to do is go to settings, and here you will be getting the option of downloads. So here you need to select the maximum number of songs it will download. So here I have selected 50 songs. You can also select more than that. So this option you need to select first, otherwise you will not get the download option on this watch. So once you have selected it, you have to come to any of the playlist which you want to listen. So I am just going to my super mix, and here you can see I will get this download option. So if I click on this, it will automatically download all the songs which are there in this playlist, or I can listen to the music first. So to listen to music, you have to obviously connect it to any of the Bluetooth devices. So you can either connect it to a TWS earphone, or you can connect it to a Bluetooth speaker for playing the music. So here I will be connecting my Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 with the Bluetooth speaker and show you guys how to play music offline on this app. I have already connected my Bluetooth speaker with this watch, and now I will be coming to the playlist, my super mix, and click on this play option. So you can see that it is playing the music via the Bluetooth speaker. If you want to download and play the music offline, you just need to click on this download button, and it will just download the music and you can play it offline at any time. So you will be able to access the downloaded songs by opening the app, and at the top of the app you will get all the downloads which you have already downloaded. So here I have downloaded this workout super mix, and if I just click on this, I will be able to play the music offline. So this is the beauty of the YouTube Music app in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So to show you guys whether I am able to play music offline, I am just switching off the Wi-Fi on this watch, and also I am disconnecting it from my phone. Right now let's see whether I am able to play the music or not. So I will be going to the YouTube Music app again, and in the downloads option I will be getting the music which I have downloaded. So here you can see the music is playing on the Bluetooth speaker, and I have switched off the Wi-Fi and also disconnected my watch from the phone itself. So right now I am able to play the music and I can play the next music also. So this is a really good feature you are getting on the YouTube Music app. Now I will show you guys how you can download specific music from this app. So as we see that YouTube Music app will recommend us content and we don't have the option to download specific songs or search specific songs in this app. So to download any specific music on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and listen it offline, you have to create a playlist first on the YouTube Music app. So for this you have to come to library option, and in the library you will get the option of playlist. So here you need to create a playlist first to get all the songs which you want to download on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So I am just giving the name of the playlist as Samsung for now and clicking on this create option, and once you click on this create option you will get the option to add songs here. So in the add a song option you have to add the specific songs which you want to listen. So whichever song you want to add, you just need to click on them after searching on the YouTube Music app. So I'm just adding random music. So once I've added all the music, you can see that in the playlist I will get all the songs in here. And now I have to come to the YouTube Music app on my Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and once we are in the app we have to come to the playlist option. So if we scroll down we will get the option of playlist in this app, and in the playlist you will be able to see the playlist you have already created. So I have created this Samsung playlist with the specific songs which I want to download and listen offline on this watch. So you can once play and check all the songs which you have already added in the playlist, whether those have synced on this app or not. So here you can see all the music is already synced, and now I am ready to download and listen to this music offline. So for this I just need to click on this Samsung playlist and click on this download button option. After I click the download button option, you will be able to see that it is ready to download all the music, and it will download all the music on your watch. I have already done the same thing with this no copyright playlist. Once you have already downloaded the music, you will be able to play it offline at any point of time on this watch, and definitely you can listen to this music at any point of time without any internet connection or without it connected with your phone. Obviously to use this feature you need to get the YouTube Premium, and with the YouTube Premium you will be able to download and listen to music offline on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So that's it guys, I just wanted to show you guys how you can download and listen to music offline on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.